If I win, you give me your panties, and if you win, you slap me. Rock, paper, scissors, go. Up, you owe me your panties. What's up, loner?
Oh my god, you scared me.
What are you writing?
A to-do list?
To-do list.
Yes.
See my ex-boyfriend.
Well, he is my ex. How'd you know?
Well, it says see my ex-boyfriend. Buy some dildos.
Oh, I don't need any more of those.
Why not?
It says I'm buying cucumbers.
Is that what you use nowadays? I'm doing something good, but I can't tell you what it is, but I can tell you what you need to do to make it good.
You're doing something good, okay. Okay.
What would it take for me to get your panties, underwear?
For what, sniffing purposes?
Sniffing purposes, nah.
Oh, okay. You don't...
Hang it on my wall.
What if I tell you that they're granny panties and they're suspiciously stained? Do you still want them?
Yeah, why not?
You're not going to sell them in vending machines in Japan?
No. Okay.
Yeah, he's watching us.